Good morning, class. How are you today? Good? Okay. I hope you are doing your work. You're doing it now. Do watch the videos and do your work daily. Okay? So let us start with your English today. Okay? We will do chapter number 2, Ball on the Wall. So first we will do the reading. What we will do? We will do reading. So let me, all you will read with me. Okay? What is your name? Let us play a game. We both look the same. The one who wins the game will get great fame. So can you tell me what we are learning today? First, I will explain you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sakina. So you know it is what we are doing. It's a question. What is your name? So I'll underline the word name. Okay. Let us play a game. Would you like to play this game? Yes, even I like to play. I like to play Ludo. How many of you like to play Ludo? Wow, give me high five. High five, yes, like this. Very good. We both look same. Who looks same? Who looks same? I'll show you something. Look, this is a butterfly. Which color is this? Red color. I have one more butterfly that is also red in color. So this both look same. How they look? They look same. Yes, these are same. Okay. Now what is saying? The one who wins the game. So we were playing that game now. तो कोई ना कोई तो जीतेगा जब गेम खेलेंगे. The one who wins. जो wins the game. Who wins the game will get great fame. Now what do you mean by fame? How many of you like watching cartoons? Yes, we watch Doraemon. Yes, then what do you else watch? What else you watch? Chhota Bheem. Wow. So Chhota Bheem, Doraemon, they are what? They are cartoons. But how they are? They are now famous. Everybody knows about them now. So that is fame. जिनके बारे में सबको पता है, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? They are famous. They have got the fame. तो जब हम गेम खेलते हैं, जो जीतता है वो ही फेमस हो जाता है. When you are in group ना school और you're playing with your friends, तो जो हमेशा जीतता है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? He is so famous. Okay ना? So that is will get great fame. Okay. So now I have underlined this word. Which words are this? Aim. Which words are this? Aim word. A-M-E. Aim. Which word are this? Aim. So we'll repeat the aim word. Which are they? Name, game, same. Okay, this is game, and then fame. Which are this? Fame. Yes, these are what? Aim family word. Now next family, what is we are going to learn about? Do you want to know? Okay, what is this? This is a small tub and I am having water. Can you please see I can splash the water? What I am doing? Splash. This is called splashing. So I am splash. What's the word? Splash. Okay. Then I'll show you something. This are eye. And what is this? This are eyelash. What are this? Eye and this are eyelash. Yes. Now we got the word eyelash. Then have you seen your mama? What she does? Yes, when she boils a potato and then when we eat aloo paratha, what she does? She smash. What she does? She smash the potatoes. Yes, I'll show you one more thing. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. What is this? This is money, or we can say it is cash. What is this? It is cash. This is called as cash. Very good. So which all word we have learned? So now can you see the hand of a girl? Okay, she has got something on her hand now. कभी कभी हम irritate होता है with itched. So that is rash. What we call it as rash. कभी हम गिर जाते हैं तो हमें लग जाती है ना थोड़ी सी, तो that is called as rash. जो redness हो जाती है, skin red हो जाती है ना, what we call it as rash. So which all word we have done in ash family? We have learned splash, eyelash, cash, mash and rash. What's the spelling of splash? S-P-L-A-S-H. What's the spelling of eyelash? E-Y-E-L-A-S-H. What's the spelling of cash? C-A-S-H. What's the spelling of mash? M-A-S-H. And what's the spelling of rash? R-A-S-H. Okay, we got that. So these are what all? Ash family word. And before this, what we have learned? In family words. Okay, now we will learn about. Now we are going to recite one more poem. Okay. Tina had a nice ball. What Tina had? Ball. Yes, that she got from the mall. What she got from this? From a mall. Can you see the mall? Yes, from this mall she got the ball. But she had a great fall while playing in the hall. Okay, once again we will repeat this. Tina had a nice ball that she got from the mall. But she had a great fall while playing in the hall. What does it mean? Tina is a girl and she has got a ball. What she has got? Ball. From where she got the ball? बॉल कहाँ से लिया टीना ने? मॉल से. टीना ने बॉल कहाँ से खरीदा? From the mall. Now when she was playing ना, जब वो खेल रही थी ना बॉल के साथ, तो she fall down. वो गिर गई. क्या हो गई टीना? गिर गई. Yes. And उसे क्या हुआ? कहाँ गिर रही थी टीना? गिरते तो उसे क्या हुआ? लग गई. लेकिन कहाँ खेल रही थी टीना? टीना was playing in the hall. Where she was playing? In a hall. जो घर में हॉल होता है ना? Not hole. Hall. Pronounce it properly. Repeat after me. Hall. Yes, once again. Hall. Yes. You have to say it in a proper pronunciation. Okay? So, once again, we will repeat all the words. Which family words? All. Which family words? All family words. Which are they? Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Say after me. Ball. Yes. Then what we have? Mall. M-A-L-L. Mall. Then fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. What we say? Fall. Yes. Repeat after me. Fall. What did Tina have? She had a great fall. Yes. And where? In the hall. Repeat after me. Hall. Yes. That is, you will say all family words. Okay, now I will show you. You have to do your work and book now. So I will tell you how to do it. Okay. In your discovering book, you will open page number 25, practice zone number 5. So there are 3 words in all sound given in the crossword. Circle them. So you have to circle this 3 word. Okay, which are they? Hall, H-A-L-L. All family word is this A-double-L, all. So hall. Then which all family word we have? Fall. F-A-double-L. Fall. Okay. Then what we have? Ball. B-A-double-L. So we will circle ball. So these are the all family words. Then on next page number 26, practice zone number 6. Write any 3 aim family words. Which are they? Name. N-A-M-E. Name. Then what we have? Game. G-A-M-E. Game. Then what we have? Same. S-A-M-E. Same. Then on page number 27, you have to do practice zone number 7. That is what word we have to find? Ash. At the party, let us splash. Here a run and there a dash. So they are putting dash of water. Okay. But let us not be rash. Rash means that girl, she has got rash. Yes, rash on her hands. So when you are running and dashing each other, so you can fall down and you can get rash. After all the fun we have, let us put away the trash. What do you mean by trash? Garbage. All the trash, papers and all the things when you are playing or all the things. So you have to put the trash into the dustbin. Okay. So which are the ash family word over here? Splash, dash, rash and trash. So you have to write this word. Okay, you have to write this word over here. Okay. Splash. What's the spelling of splash? S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash. Say after me. Yes. Now say dash. D-A-S-H. Say dash. Dash. Now rash. R-A-S-H. Rash. Trash. T-R-A-S-H. You can see now ash. Yes, we have added T-R. So it become trash. Okay. So this is you will do in your discovering book. Now in your observation book, page number 16, you will do this. So you have to look at the picture and write the name. What is this? It is a lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. What is this? Ball. B-A-double-L. Ball. What is this? Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. What is this? Sack. S-A-C-K. Sack. Now page number 19, you have to color the star, okay, with all family word, and we have to write it down. This is this H-A-L-L, hall. Is this all family word? Yes. So we'll write it down and color it. L-A-N-E. Is it all? No. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Is it all? Yes. So we will write it down. Then stall. S-T-A-L-L. Stall. Yes. We will write it down. Then Wall, W-A-L-L, wall. So we will write it down. Then what it is? L-A-K-E, lake. Is it all family word? No. So this is hall, small, stall, wall. These are what? All family words. Okay, you will color and write it down. Okay. Now on page number 21, you will do this question. This is your homework. What is your name? Which of this not a part of egg family? Cash. We will dash a cake. Bake. Now which image doesn't have L family word? Cake. And you have to choose the odd one out, that is tail. So this is your homework. You will do it on your own. Okay. Bye. Take